Hello, good day everyone. My name is Okoyemi. I want to welcome you all to this tutorial video. I will be putting you through how you can design a VTU website in this video. The front end, to be precise, how you can design the front end like this. Can you see? This is an example of a VTU website. This one also is an example of a VTU website. Can you see? Let me just scroll down. It's an example of a VTU website. So in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you could design a VTU website, the front end of the site. I'm going to put you through. So now, for the sake of those that don't know what a VTU website is, a VTU website is also known as a telecommunication website. It's a website used in purchasing of airtime, data, cable subscription, electricity bills, and so on. So I want you to pay attention into this video because I'm going to put all through step-by-step process how you could design a front end of your website, how you could design it like this. So let's go there. Now I'm going to log into my WordPress dashboard. We all know how to log into our WordPress dashboard. If you don't know how to do that, please go and watch the previous videos on how to log into your WordPress dashboard. Now here is our WordPress dashboard. Here is it. So the first thing is we need our theme. Of course, to every website, you know the first thing you need is your theme. So you go to appearance, go to themes, click on themes. So here we'll be using Astra theme. Can you see the theme here? So click on activate. If you haven't installed it, you see install here, so you just click on it. Now I've already installed it here, so let me just activate it. Click on it once. So here we are. Just click on this get started. Can you see get started? Click on it, then scroll down, click on build your website. Click on Elementor. We are going to use Elementor, our page builder. Just click on it. So go to business. Can you see business here? Just scroll down. This landing page, click on it. Can you see? Then scroll down and choose the one you want to use. Can you see there are a lot of themes here? This one with yellow premium, this one, they are all paid version. So we can't use it for free. They are all paid versions. So scroll down to view more of it. So this one is also a premium version. We have one that are free to like this, but the one that I want to use in this tutorial video is this. Can you see? Just click on it. Click on skip and continue. We are still coming back to this aspect. Just skip and continue, then scroll down, click on continue. Can you see this? Read this one. Click on skip and continue. Just put your name here. My name is Okoyemi. My Gmail is this. Just click on you want to design this website for yourself or your company. Just keep intermediate. Click on I agree to receive your newsletter and all that. Scroll down. We are going to import everything of this website. Just click on submit and build my website. So it's loading. You just have to wait till it gets to 100%. So let me just use this medium to tell you why I choose a landing page, because it's a one page website. Your VTU website should be a one page website. To call all the story short, it should be a one page website. That's why I'm choosing a landing page. So let's go on. It's already at 100%. Can you see? So click on view my website. Wow, this is the website I want to edit. Can you see? It's a one page website. Let me just click on this services. It will take me to the page. Let me scroll down again. I want to click on about. It will take me to the page. So it's a one-page website. Whatever we want to do in this page is just for a one-page website. So can you see? So let's proceed. Click on customize here. Click on customize. So scroll down, go to site identity. Can you see? We want to change our logo to our logo. Click on site icon. So this is all the images that comes with this website. So we want to import our logo now. Click on upload files. Click on select files. If you have your logo on your system, so you just locate wherever it is there, and just put it there. So my own logo is on my screen. So let me just drag and drop it here. You see? Click on select. So we are going to crop our image because we want to use it for our site icon. Site icon is the one that appears beside your URL here. This one. So can you see it's changed already? Can you see the logo we just inputted now? It's changed already. So this is how to put your site icon to your. So click on this site title and logo settings. Click on it. We want to remove this. We don't want this. This is the one that comes with the themes. We don't need it. It is closed already. So you have to publish it. Whatever changes you are making to your website, you have to. So can you see this site title? This is our site title and logo. This is where it will be displayed. This place, it will soon display this place. This is our primary menu. This ones here, they are our primary menu. And this HTML one, this is what it contains. We are going to remove this because we don't want. Can you see? So we are going to remove it. This button too, we are going to remove it. Can you see? So click on close. It is removed already. So click on close. We want to remove this too. Can you see it is removed? So click on publish. Can you see the site title here? Just name your site, the name you want to give your site. My own, I want to give it my online VTU. So you see this select logo, we are going to put our logo because the one that we inputted the other time is for our site icon. The site icon is different from the site logo. Site logo appears at the top part here, so while the icon appears beside our URL. So click on site logo. We are going to use the same one we use for the favicon. Just click on select, skip cropping. So let's scroll down. So let's publish it. Now let's refresh our website. Let's refresh it to see what we've done so far. Let's refresh it. So here we are. So now let's go back. This edit with Elementor, click on it. So after refreshing our page, we have to edit our page with Elementor. Of course, we've changed the logo. We have to change this background since we are developing a VTU website. So we have to change all of this. So click on edit with Elementor. Let me just close this. I don't need it. Can you see? So here, this is our front page. We want to edit it to our own taste. So click on this one at the middle to take the whole front page. To edit it rather, just click on it once. I don't need this for now. Can you see this? This is icon image. So let me just delete this so that I can put my own there. This one, you see this icon here, right click on it and click on delete. We don't need it. So now you see this heading, just drag and drop. drag and drop. Make sure it shows this color. If you are putting it outside this container, it won't stay. Just make sure it enters. So now let's edit our text. I can say welcome to my online video. So click on update. Let's just drag this. I want it to be on a single line. So this, let me just reduce this size. Let me reduce the size to H3. This one is okay, right? So click on center. So I want to change the text color to white. Go to style. Can you see text color here? The short code for white is just put hashtag then F in 6 places. Can you see? So click on update. Our text is white. So let's try to beautify this a bit. This welcome to my live video. Let's try to beautify it. Let me just click on this space. I want to give it a separate color. I want to give this text a separate color. So just do as I do. No, let me use lowercase. Font color. Equal. Hashtag 0FF. Let me close it. Can you see the color change? So this is just how you do it. You click in between the text, then font color. The color is COLOR equal to, then put it in a bracket. This is the color code. If you want to use red, you can just put red here. If you want to use green, you can put green here, GREEN. But me, I want to use this color, so I have the color code here. For you to know this color code, you can just go to your Google and just, let me just close the font here. So can you see this is beautiful, right? So click on update. So let's click on this. So we want the text editor. So let me just drag and drop it. Here. I will delete this. Click on it, then delete. This is the one that I just dragged here right now. So click on update. Please don't forget to update wherever you make a changes. So I need to put my own text here. So after you write your text there, just click on update. Can you see our text is changed there? Can you see it's changed? But I want to change the text color. So go to style, go to text color, then let me change it to white. Hashtag FFFFF. Click on update. So I can change the size to, click on typography and change the size. Let me just increase the size there. Can you see? Let me increase it. Let me just leave it at 21. This is so I feel like increasing the size of this. Let me just increase it. Go to style, typography. Let me increase the size a bit. No, yes, it's okay. Click on update. So let's delete this button. Let's delete it. I don't want it here. So can you see your button? If you don't know how to get here, maybe you are missed, you get some things mixed up, you just click on this, it will take you back to this page. So this is my button. Let me just drag and drop. Let me drag and drop. Can you see it is dropped? So let me just duplicate it because we need to, just for our login and sign up. It is duplicated already. So let's edit our icon. Go to advanced. Do you see this width? Click on it, put it in inline auto. Can you see? So let's do it for the second icon, button rather. Click on advanced, go to width, put it in inline auto. Can you see? So we are going to edit one of the buttons. So let's give it a margin. Let's give it 10 margin. So right click on this icon, click on copy, then paste it at the second button rather. Click on paste style. Can you see it is now the same? So now we want to change our text. Click on it. We want to change the text here. So go to content. Let's say we want to put login here, uppercase. Let's say I want to put an icon beside the login. Let me just put icon library. Let me go to the icon library here. Click on it. Let me search for key. Click on it. Click on insert. Can you see it is beautiful? So let me edit the second icon. Click on it. Go to content. Let me put register. Can you see? So let me just give it an icon. So go to icon library. Let me search for user. Let me choose this. Insert. Can you see? So you can just give it a space between the text and the icon. Just give it a space. Let me say 10. Let me give it 10 to here. Let me say 10 here too. Can you see? So click on update. Now we want to change our background color here. We want to change it. So go to style. Click on color. Under this background type, click on color. So let me just give it the color that I'm using right from the start. 9900 FFF. So update. Just right click on this and copy, then paste it here. Paste style. Can you see? Let me just use a different color for the second button. Let me choose a different color. So click on it, go to style. Let me give it white color. Hashtag FFFF. Can you see the background color? Click on update. So let me change the text color to another color. Let me change the text color to 9900 FFF. No. The background color should be white. This is for the text color. Let me change it. So click on update. Can you see here we change the background color to white, we change the text color to blue. Here we change the background color to blue, we change the text to white, so that it will look more beautiful to our users. So let's go to hover. Whenever they hover it here, it changes. We want it to change color, so this is how you do it. Let's change it to white. That is when they hover it, it will change to white. So click on update down there. Click on update. Can you see the background change to white when we hover it? So we want the text to change. So let me change the text color. Let me change the text color to, let me change it to blue. Text color. Click on update. So let's go to style again. Click on over. We want to give it an animation. Just click on this. Click on over animation. Let's give it grow. Then click on update. Can you see? Can you see? It has heat effect on this. We can also give this one too. Let's give it an animation too. Click on over. Let's give it growth. Can you see? So that is that. Click on up. So we want to change this background. We want to change it. So click on the whole section. Go to style. Can you see this background image? You want to change it. So click on choose. So the image that I want to use is on my screen here. So I just drag it and drop. Can you see? But if you need a professional picture for yours, you can go to unsplash.com, unsplash.com. So you see many pictures that you can use. So let me just click on select. Can you see this is what I want to use for the background image? So let's position it. Click on this position. Okay, it is already in the center already. So let's change it to top center. Can you see? Click on update. So let's just look how it looks like. Let's check how it looks like on phone view. So you see this icon down there, this icon, this responsive mode icon. Click on it. We want to check the mobile view. This is the desktop view, this is the tablet view, this is the mobile view. So let's just click on it. So this is how it will looks like on your mobile phone. So do you see it now? So because most of our users, they use phone always. They use phone. So 90% of your subscribers, they use phone, while 10% they use desktop. So you have to concentrate more on this mobile view. So let's change this. Let's see if you have something nice. Center, no. Center left, no. Top center. So this is still okay. This is okay by me. Click on update. So let's go back to the desktop view. Click on it. So can you see? We want to give this button, we want to give it a border radius. So can you see border radius here? Under style, not content, please. Under style, you see border radius. Let's give it 66. Can you see? So same thing applies to this. Give it a border radius, let's say 66. Can you see? It is now more beautiful. It is now more beautiful. So click on update. This background image, I want to make it a little bit dark from this. So click on the whole section here. Click on this space. So go to style, we are on style already. So let's give it a background overlay. So click on over, click on background overlay. Can you see? Click on this icon, then click on color. Let me give it a black color. Hashtag 00000. No, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Can you see it is more beautiful than the other one? Let's click on update. So let's refresh our page. So this is our site. You see these testimonials and contacts, we want to remove it, we don't want it here. So click on dashboard. So go to appearance, go to menus. We want to remove some primary menus. So scroll down. Can you see the testimonial here? Just click on it here, scroll down, then click on remove. The other one, contact, we don't need it. Click on remove too, then save your menu. So now let's refresh our page. We need to add a login button and a sign up button to our premier menu. So click on custom link, this place, put hashtag for now, then let me just say login, uppercase, login, add to menu, then click on save menu. We want the register button too, so let's say hashtag, then register. Click on add menu, then click on save menu. So let's refresh our page, visit site. So can you see we now have the login button and the register button up here. So now let's move to the next section. Let's scroll down. These are our services, we are still come back to it. So let's just move down. Yes, why choose us? Can you see? If they click on this, it will take them to the why choose us section. So let's just edit this. Let's click on edit with Elementor. So let's scroll down. We want to edit the why choose us section. So can you see here? Click on the whole section. So here we have to increase the text here. Let's increase the size to H4. Can you see? Oh, let's say H3. Yes, H3 is preferable. Click on update. Then let's reduce this one to H5. Can you see? Click on update. Let me just edit this text. Let me edit it. Let me say the best platform VTU service. So can you see what I wrote? The best platform for automated VTU services. So let's write more text there. Click on this icon. Let's say text editor. Let's make the text editor here. So we have to write some text here. We offer data bundle, cable TV, and start time. Your wallet is the safest, easiest. But so what else? Let's move on to the about section. About, can you see about us? So we want to edit this side. So let's just change this. Let's change this image. Let's change it. Click on the whole section. Click on style. So click on the image. Can you see the image here? We have to change it. So I have the image already on my system. I will just drag it and drop. So if you want this image that I just imported, click on select. Can you see it has changed? If you want this image, just go to myonlinevtu.com. You see the image there. Can you see myonlinevtu.com? There is the image there. So I just drag and drop it to my system. Can you see? I just drag and drop. That is how I got it. I'm not replacing this. So that is it. Can you see we still have this overlay image there? Can you see we still have the overlay image? So we have to remove it. Click on the image, click on it. Can you see it here? Click on delete. So let's update. So can you see we don't have it here again? We don't have it. So I will just delete this section. Can you see there is a section for the image that we just deleted now? I want to delete this section. I want to delete it. Delete. So can you see we've deleted that section? So our image comes up perfectly. Click on update. So let's just edit this text. Let's edit it. Can you see the text I wrote here? My line VT is Nigeria best option whenever you think of easy and instant online mobile recharge. education, payment, and electricity bill. I've joined. So I purposely paused the video because of this write-up so that I won't take much of our time. That's why I paused the video. So let me just show you the content that I wrote. My online VTU is Nigeria best option wherever you think of easy and instant online mobile recharge. Dear customer, we deal with all kind of airtime top-up, data bundles, TV subscription, internet subscriptions, and others. So you can as well come up with your own content. So that is that. So let me just remove this section. Let me remove it. Right click on it, click on delete. This one too, I don't need it. Right click on it, click on delete, then click on update. So we want to view our website now. I want to see what we've done so far. So let's refresh our page. So this is what we've done so far. We've not done the service aspect. We've done the about us. Can you see the about us that we did now? Can you see? It is beautiful. So that is that. Now let's go back. So there are some sections that we don't need in this page that we have to delete. So let's scroll down. We don't need this image. Just close the section. We don't need it. Close the session. We don't need it. Scroll down. This contact page we don't need. Close the session. Okay, scroll down. This map we don't need it. Close the session. We don't need this too. Right click on this icon, then delete. So anything else, this is our footer, we don't have to delete it, we are still coming back to it. So scroll down. We don't need this section too, we don't need it. Let's close it. So we don't need this section too, we don't need it. Close it. So click on update. Let's view our website. Let's view it. So can you see what we have now? Can you see? Can you see the about us that we just edited? We've closed some sections here. This is our footer. I think we should close this section. Click on edit with Elementor. Scroll down. We don't need this section. Let's delete it. Can you see? We don't need this column too. Let's delete it. Let's close the session. Let's close it. Can you see? We've closed that session. So before we proceed, let's view our website on mobile view. Let's view it responsive mode. So click on mobile. So this is our website. Let's scroll up. This is how it looks on phone. Can you see this image? So now let's proceed to our footer. Can you see this is our footer? Once we edit our footer, we've edited this section. Why choose us? We've edited about us. So let's move to our footer. Here you cannot edit your footer with Elementor. So let me just try it. Click on edit with Elementor. So let's scroll down. Can you see you cannot edit it with Elementor? So let me go back. We are going to our dashboard. You see this appearance? Click on widgets. So it will display all the widgets that we have on this site for us. So let's scroll down. This is part of our widget. This main sidebar is part of our widget. So let's go to our footer. We want to edit our footer now. Can you see this contact us? Let's just change it to, just right click on it. Can you see? So we have to edit it to our own preferred choice. So we have to edit it. So here let's just say email. Let me write my mail address there. So after writing my mail, let me just clear this one that they already have there. So the address, I will edit the address too. So what's next? You can just say Nigeria, full stop. So that is all. Then click on update here at the top. Click on update. So this one we don't need it. Let's just clear it for now and leave the HTML tag. So what else? The about us, right click on it too. Can you see? After right clicking on it, this is what it brings out. Just write the content that you want to put here. Let me just write this. Let me clear this. We offer instant recharge of data bundle, cable TV and more. So click on update. This text here we don't need it for now. Let's just clear it off. Let's clear it off. We don't need the text for now. So can you see that our text has changed? So let's just update it and view our changes. Let's refresh our page. Visit site. So let's view our site. Scroll down. Okay, we still need a little adjustment here. Can you see the about us that we put here? Can you see it's here? The contact address too, can you see it's there? So we need to change something at this widget area. So let's go back to our widget area. Go to dashboard. So scroll down. This widget one, we want to put some content there. Can you see the widget one? So we need to add something there. So click on plus. We need our image there. That is, we want to put our logo. Click on image. Click on library, media library. Let's choose our logo. Click on select. So let's just update it. We've inputted our logo. Let's update it. Then let's go and check our website. So visit sites. Let's scroll down. So can you see our logo at the footer side is still big? We are going to adjust it, but we are still going back to that. Let's proceed now. We are coming back to that. So let's proceed. Let's click on customize. We want to change this copyright section. Now scroll down to footer builder. We want to change this copyright. We want to change it. You can just change this to your website name. Click on this elemental icon. Can you see the text there? So we want to put the name here. Site title. We want to raise this site title, then put our whole name there. So I say my site title is my website name. So can you see who build this website. Let me see Tech. So let's publish it. So if you want other people to see the website that you've developed and you want to link them to your WhatsApp, so you can just put your WhatsApp link here and on your name. Just click on it, click on insert link. You put the WhatsApp link here, link to create your custom WhatsApp link. Can you see? You just put your phone number here, put the message that you want customers to see whenever they click on that link. What can you develop my website for me? Just this, you can just put the one you like. So whenever the customer click on it, this is what the message that you got. So you can just click on generate link. Now click on generate link. So just copy the link, Ctrl+C, then paste it here. Can you see? Click on apply. So you can now publish. So whenever the person click on that name, it will take them to my WhatsApp. So that is just how it works. So let's refresh our page. So let's view our changes. Let's view it. Can you see that the name has changed now? Can you see? So when the person click on this, the name, it will take them to my WhatsApp. So that is that. So let's go back to the footer builder. Can you see this social? Your Facebook URL, you can just put it so that if the person click on it too, it will take them to your Facebook. You can say www.facebook.com/your name .facebook.com. Can you see? This is just an example. If you have a Twitter too, a Twitter username, you can as well put it there too. You can just input them all. If you don't have it, you just close it here. If you don't have it, you close it. If you don't have it, you close it, then click on update. So let's go back. Click on edit with Elementor. So we want to edit our services page. We want to edit it. Click on close. Can you see? So just take this inner section, just drag and drop it here under services. Can you see? So click on this, put the section, then let's look for image boards. Click on this image boards. Look at image boards and then drag and drop. So let's do the same thing to this. Click on this icon here, image boards. Can you see image boards here? So put it there. Now let's duplicate it. Right click on the icon, duplicate. Right click on this icon to duplicate it. So let's save our changes. Update. We want to change our image here. We want to change it. So choose image. So let me go to my online VCU to drag image. My onlinevcu.com. Let me go there to drag image. Okay, let me just drag this. Buy data, drag it here. Airtime top up, drag it here. Cable subscription, then utility payments, drag it here. Now we want to import our image here. Then let me just drag and drop. I have this 1, 2, 3. I think I copied utility. Okay, let me choose this one first, then click on select. No, I want it here. Let me just hold it, drag and drop it here. Okay, so this is where I want it. Okay, here we are. This is the icon I needed here. So let me just edit this text. Let me edit it. Let me say buy data. Can you see? Then let me edit this text too. you can just put the text you want here. Let me just leave this one as an example. Then this icon, you can reduce the size. You can just go to this place, then select medium. Depends on the size that you want. So yes, let me just change the image here. Click on it, then choose image. Now let me just choose this, select. I will change this text to airtime top up. I hope you are following. So click on update. Same thing applies to this. Choose image. Let me choose this. So let me drag and drop it here. So we are good to go. Select. Scroll down. We have to edit the text too. So I hope you all see what I've done right now. Can you see? So now I want to reduce this size. I want to reduce it so that it will suit these two. I want them to be on the same line as this. So watch me as so let's just update it and view our website. Let's see what we've done so far. So let's refresh our page. Sorry, I have to take this here. Let me just drag and drop this one here. So I have to put it here. Then I'll carry this and put it here. So let's just see if it is okay like this. I think it's still okay like this. Or you take this. I think I'm okay with this. So click on update. So click on style. Click on typographical. I want to style it, that is, I want to put it in the middle. So click on it, then you see content, click on center. Can you see? So let's update it. Let's view the site. So can you see what we've done so far? Can you see it? Can you see? So here in this section, I want to put a carousel here. So let me just choose one. So go to this icon, search for carousel. Let's choose image carousel. Drag and drop there. So let's choose our image. So I have some images on my system earlier, like low icon, MTN icon, Airtel icon. So I went online to download it. Just go to your Google, then ask for 9 mobile glue, then choose your own preferred one. So let me just click insert gallery. Can you see the gallery now? So this is what I went online to download. I still need 2 more icons, so let me just add more. Click on this icon. I need more. If you need this image, I can send it to you. Just request for this image. I think I still have 2 images. Go TV. Then I have electricity bill. Can you just see? So click on insert. Can you see now? Can you see? This is the work of the carousel. So let's click on update and let's go and view our site. So can you see how it works? So that is by the way. We need an heading here. Yeah. So let's centralize it. Let's call this heading our partners. our partners. So we partner with MTN, Airtime, Airtel rather, Glo and all that. So let's just leave it here. Click on update. So under these our partners, I would like to put some text there. So click on edit with Elementor. Scroll down. Here I would like to put some text. Let me say heading. Let me give it h3. I want it to be smaller. So let's edit it. Let's clear it off. So can you see my text there? Below is a list of some of our supported service provider. Can you see? Let me just increase it a bit. So click on update. Let's proceed and view our website. So what else? I hope you are enjoying this tutorial. I hope you are enjoying it. So what next? So I would like to add a chat bar on the website so that if they click on it, they can easily chat with the owner of the website. So I will go to my dashboard. So let me just go back. Let me go to my dashboard. We are going to install a plugin. Go to plugin, click on add name. So we need a plugin called click to chat. So this is it. Click on update or install, whatever is being up here. Let's activate it. So it's updated already. So it's here. Can you see click to chat? Can you see we have it down there? So now let's scroll down. Can you see the WhatsApp icon that we just installed now? So we want to reset it. That is, we want to put our phone number so that whenever they click on it, it will lead them to the customer WhatsApp. So whenever they click on it, it leads them to your WhatsApp. So let's go to our dashboard. So let's go to the WhatsApp icon here that we just installed. Click to chat, click on it. So here you add your phone number. Let me just add my number, 8169. This pre-filled message, you can say hello, welcome. That is the site name. So that is okay. So this WhatsApp us, that is the text that will show beside the icon. You can change it if you like. So let me just give it a name. Let me say connect with us. Can you see connect with us? So scroll down, then click on save changes. So now let's view our site. Let's view it. You can scroll down. Do you see this icon here? This icon, this image rather. We would like to put a background color to it so that to beautify it. Click on edit with Elementor. Then scroll down. Click on the whole section. Can you see? Then let's go to style. Do you see background there? Do you see it? So just click on this icon. Do you want to give it an image? Do you want to give it a color? So now let's give it a color. Let me say hashtag 9900 FF. Can you see the background color? So click on update. I've changed the background color. So now, let's change this background for each services. We want to change the background. So go to this edit column. Can you see? Then click on style. Let's give it a background color. click on this icon, then click on this color. Let's change it to white. So click on update, then go to border. Let's give it a border, let's say 100. Can you see the changes? We said 100. So click on update, go to style, background. Let's give it a background color too, let's say white. Click on update, give it a border. Let the border radius should be 100. Can you see? So click on update. So can you see the difference that will make now? Can you see it is more beautiful than the way it is before? Can you see? You can also decide to write a text. You can also decide to have a text under these services. Depends on how you want it. You can say, let's say we sell data. Can you see the text I write here? We sell data, cable subscription and lot more. So you can decide to write more. For example, I will leave this for now. So go to style. Let's centerize this text. So let's give the text a color. Let's give it a color. Can you see the color? Click on update. You can also increase the size of the text. So go to typographical. You can increase the size of the text this way. Can you see? So click on update. So that is that. Let's try to see how this website looks on phone mode. Click on responsive mode, then let's see the mobile portrait. So this is how it looks on your phone. Look at it, our services. So if this text is too big for your own so you can just go to typography, then reduce the size. It is different from the one that works on desktop, so let's adjust it to this. So let's leave it at 14. So can you see our background there now? Can you see it is more beautiful? Can you see it? So this image here, we want to increase the size. We want to increase the size. It is too small at the mobile view side. So let's increase the size. Edit image, go to advanced, click on this, then increase this. Okay, when you increase it, reduce the image. I want to increase the image, so let's give it a minus. Can you see it's coming up? Can you see? Let's just leave it at 60. Is this okay, right? So let's give it a padding, let's say 10. No, this is taking the whole section. I want to give it a padding left. Can you see? So that it should come to the center. Let me try and reduce this more so that it will come up. Let's leave it at 80. So click on update. So I think it's okay this way, and if you feel like increasing more, you can just do that. So let's move to this about us. Let's try to centralize it. Click on update. So the way it looks on phone is quite different from the way it looks on the desktop view. So we have to set both views, because most of our users, most of them use their phone to view it. So let me just delete this session. Let me close this session. I don't need it for now. So what else? Okay, let me reduce this size. Edit text, go to typography. Let me reduce it to 21. 19 is okay. Then click on save. So let's work on this area. Click on it. Let's give it a slide. Let's say 2, or let's say 3 at a time. So it will show 3 icons at a time. So slide to show, let's say 2. So click on update. So 2 will come up at a time. Depends on the way you want it. So that is that. Can you see our mobile view is now more beautiful? So let's proceed. There is a section here I would like to add a FAQ. I want to add FAQ, that is questions and answer. Let me just put an heading there. Can you see? Then click on this icon. Let's pick inner section. We need inner section. Can you see this heading? We can just say FAQ. Then centralize it. This particular section, I want to put an image here. Can you see? Just click on it, then drag an image. Let's go and choose our image. I have my image here. This particular image, I got it from unsplash.com. So you can just search for your image anywhere. Preferable a better image though. So this particular section, we want to put our FAQ there. So search for accordion. It's loading. Can you see accordion here? Can you see it's here, right? Just drag and drop it here. Can you see? So let's edit this place. Click on this icon. Then we want to edit the text. So let's say how to buy data. Can you see? So here, let me just say how to fund wallet. So click on it. How to fund wallet. So you put your text here. So this is our FAQ, our questions and answer. So if you want more, you can just go to this area. So I still need one more question here. Click on add item. So let's edit the text here. Can you see title and description? What are the codes? So yeah, I can just answer that. Let me just clear this. Fund wallet. So it depends on how you want to answer them. So let me move to this. Let me clear it off. You can fund your wallet through bank transfer, then so do you see the way I write my text here? Can you see? You can just click on it and it will bring it up. Click on this too, click on this one too. What are the codes for checking data balance? So that is all about that aspect. So save changes. You can decide to add a background color to it. Just go to style, go to title. Let's say background color should be can you see we've changed the background? So update. Can you see now it looks more beautiful? Can you see it looks more beautiful? So let's proceed. Click on this image, click on this. We want to design the image. So go to style. We want to give it a border radius. Let's say 333. Can you see it is more beautiful? Can you see? Let's say 333. It's okay. Click on update. So that is that. Let's go down. This icon, I want to change the color. Can you see this icon? It doesn't match my design color, so I have to change it. Go to style, then click on color, then let me put my color. Can you see it is now changed? Can you see? Same thing applies to this. You can just copy, then paste style. Can you see the color change too? So copy. No, we've copied already. Let's paste style. Paste style. So that is that. Click on update. Now let me talk about this footer section. Let me just so that is that. So let us refresh our page. Now let's move to the footer section. Let's move to the footer section. We have to click on remove gallery. Should not be in gallery. So after removing that, click on this add block. We are going to add image, not gallery, please. See image here, image. This is gallery. We don't have to add gallery, it is image. So click on image, then click on media gallery, then choose your logo, click on select. Let's update. So scroll down. I can as well add a paragraph here. Click on paragraph. Let me just so let's copy it. Can you see? Just drag it closely. I think it's okay like this. So click on update. So let me just add a paragraph here. Let me add a paragraph here. Click on paragraph, then put your content here. Put your content. Click on update. Then let's proceed and view our site. Let's go down. Can you see our logo now that is more beautiful? You can then put your text here. Let me just go and copy a text here. Let me copy this. No, let me copy this. Then let me go to my widget again to paste it there. So let's go to widget 1. Widget 1. Let's paste our text here. Let's paste it here. Can you see? So click on update. Then scroll up. All these widgets, we don't need them. Click on it. Let's delete it. Remove legacy widgets. All these widgets, we don't need it. Just click on it and remove it. So click on it. We have to remove it. We don't need it. So remove these two. Remove these two. Remove these two. So let's update it. Let's view our website. So let's view our website. Scroll down. So that is that. And you want to change the overall color. Maybe you want to change the header color. You want to change the primary menu color. You can just go to customize. So click on global. Click on colors. Can you see the theme, the accent? If you want to change the accent, you can just click on this, then change your color. Then you change your color. Can you see? You can also put your color code. If there's link in your website and you feel like adding a color to it, you can click on this place, then you put your color. If it is over link, you can put the over link here, over color here, I mean. So the heading 1 to 6 color, this is what I placed it. The body text, you can just with the size background, just play around this place, then you understand what I'm saying. So let me click on publish. The section I just showed you now, that is where I changed these colors here. So that is that, by the way. Now we've come to the end of this tutorial. Let me just view our website one more. So that is that about creating a video website. It's so easy, like ABC. So you can just go through it. Whatever you feel like removing, you can remove it. So whatever you feel like adding to, you can add it to it. So if you need my mentorship, you can just come to my DM and I will do justice to that. So thank you very much for having me. My name is Ope. Also do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Opetech 123, OPETECH 123. So thank you very much for watching.